pala si Daddy. Sabihin ko yun. Sorry.
Sige, sige, kakat ko na lang.
Hindi pa ako ready. Wait lang.
Welcome to my vlog na lang.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Baguio City. The place where everything feels serene and inspiration flows. It's a perfect backdrop to share a story I had been wanting to tell. My story.
Hello, I'm Dolly from Delicious Cravings. Welcome to my channel. I'm a passionate food lover, a curious traveler, and a storyteller at heart. I started this channel a year ago, driven by my love of food and my desire to share with you the joy of discovering flavors and experiences with the world. But it's more than just about cooking or reviewing restaurants or traveling. It's about creating moments that bring people together. I am someone who believes that food is more than just a sustenance. It's an expression of culture, love, and creativity. And with every video I make, I want to show you a piece of my heart and my journey. One thing that I'd like to tell you, it hasn't been easy balancing work, family, and this passion project. But every like, every comment, and every subscriber reminds me why I keep going. It's for you, my audience. You inspire me to keep creating. Thank you. This channel is actually a team effort. My husband is my videographer, editor, and the biggest supporter. Together, we create content that comes from the heart. So why do I keep going? It's because of you. It's because of the messages I receive from people who try my recipes, visit the restaurants I review, and feel inspired by what I share. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Welcome to my vlog. This is Dolly. This is another delicious cravings food adventure. Hello guys, i-share ko lang yung experience namin here in Baguio. Hey everyone, welcome back to Delicious Cravings. This is Dolly. Hello everyone, this is Dolly from Delicious Cravings again. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys. Ano po yung driver namin?
So, if you've been part of my journey so far, thank you. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Let's keep creating, sharing, and growing together.
No hate, just love. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Ayun lang guys. So kung gusto niyo ng mga ganitong content, please comment and subscribe. Bago lang po kami sa YouTube video. Yeah, yun lang po. Yeah, no hate, just love. Thank you. Bye.